Hey, this is Ryan, and we're standing in front of the construction of a diesel repair shop. Let's go in and take a look. For his business, he needs plenty of roll-up doors for different bays so that he can work on multiple projects. We had to go a little bit taller because a lot of diesel trucks are pretty tall. We put in the roll-up doors, we make sure that they're operating well before we leave. The insulation on this building is a 3-inch vinyl backed fiberglass insulation. We use this a lot in shop buildings, pretty much any building that's not going to be, climate controlled. On the ridge here, you'll see several openings, and these are actually ridge vents that allow for ventilation in the building, making it cooler and more enjoyable to work in. At the top of this wall here, these are called wall lights or light panels. This just allows the building to have some natural sunlight without electricity or lights. So on this end of the building, this is where the office is going to go. So we've got windows, doors. Over there is going to be a bathroom. So when we started here, it was just land, and in about 6 weeks, it's going to be a operational diesel repair shop building.